Hey everybody, Doug Reynolds here, your Sacramento real estate expert. I'm sitting down today with a great lender, Matt Gouget.
Matt, the mortgage guy.
He handles the loan side of things for a lot of my buyer clients, does an excellent job. And right now we actually have a great buyer that we're in escrow with right now. And it's this awesome loan product. I don't really know much about it, but I got Matt here to kind of talk about this loan product that's out and available for buyers right now.
Sure. That specific product is a 3% down Home Possible. And Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have Home Possible and Home Ready. Very similar program that with 3% down, you get a discounted rate and discounted mortgage insurance. Folks,
So it's a conventional loan, even though it's
conventional
3%
loan.
down?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And there's a few different things you got to do. You got to do a home buyer course where,
Okay.
we've got actually some coupons where you can do it for free. I think there's a minimal cost of $50 or $60, but we've actually got access to some vouchers so folks can do that course for free. A little home buyer education really doesn't hurt.
Is it online?
Online.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's relatively quick.
And you just do that during escrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
what?
Knock it
hour,
out in a
2 hours
day
or
and just send a
something, or?
certificate. Yeah, I think it's less than an hour.
Okay.
And so, you complete that. There are some income limitations where you can't make $500,000 a year. But, feel free to reach out to me to see if you fit these guidelines. Folks don't understand, especially if you have good credit, you can put 3% down on a house. And I'm showing loan scenarios to folks with 3%, 5%, 10%. A lot of times, even if you have the larger down payment, it makes more sense to put a smaller down payment and keep these, reserve funds in the bank, have an emergency fund or something of that nature. I feel like as a mortgage professional, I'm not necessarily just, saying, okay, you qualify for a loan, here you go. I'm really trying to analyze, the whole financial picture. And these loan programs with smaller down payments, folks with good credit and stable jobs that qualify, it's a great tool, in my opinion, where if they've saved up a big chunk of money, that they don't necessarily have to throw all that towards the house.
Okay.
And that's something that, this program allows you to do. A 3% down conventional loan, it's a great product.
So what's the name of the product again?
Home Ready and Home Possible.
Okay. And basically what I heard you say was it's out there, it's available, but at the same time, additionally, as a lender, you're going to analyze a buyer's scenario and basically give them, say, hey, you've got a big chunk, you can go 20 or 30% down if you want, but here are also some additional options. Here's the pros and cons for all of them.
Right.
And really get it dialed in for what's their wheelhouse.
Exactly.
So it's gonna work
And
for
the
them.
thing about it is, too, I love having these conversations because I don't have, an answer beforehand. I'm just talking through with the client and saying, here's these options. And usually through conversation, the buyer answers, okay, you know what? Based on everything you've said, Matt, I think that, we want to put 10% down because, we're on a relatively fixed income and this is the payment I want. Or what you say makes sense, Matt. I think we want to put 3% down, have an emergency fund. We plan on having kids, having a little bit tucked away for that is a good idea. My job, I'm going to get raises and this payment is comfortable, so I'm not worried about the payment. I'd like to have funds in the bank. And it's all client specific. There's no one right answer. The great part is having options.
All right. Well, there you go. Matt's contact information's on the screen there. Excellent lender. Does a great job for your buyer clients. And you can reach me as well, realestatewithdoug.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.